These are some of the highlights from my trip on the Trans-Wisconsin Adventure Trail. Day 1, I went from Herbster, Wisconsin up to Point Detour and then down to Medford, Wisconsin.
It's like 58 degrees. This was very uncomfortable, and the zipper on my tent, or no, not on my tent, the zipper on the sleeping bag broke. So it was letting cold air in, like right by my butt most of the night. And I fixed it once, but every time I rolled around it'd pop it back open. So that was fun. And the breeze through the trees is actually pretty nice to help you go to sleep. But one point last night it was howling pretty good. So I'd say I probably got about 4 to 5 hours of sleep. Now, yeah, pack all this stuff up, ride 280 miles and do it all over again.
There's a tower back here, but I don't see it. Oh, this is gonna be a mosquitoes.
Yep, hotel time, because I wasn't gonna sleep on the ground again. Honestly, just holding my phone up like this is kind of making my shoulder feel weird. So anyway, I got to the Chikmana, whatever, I can't pronounce it. I got to the National Forest campsite an hour and 45 minutes before I had planned to, so I had plenty of time to do whatever. And as soon as I pull into the spot, take my helmet off, just mosquitoes everywhere. Great. I go and walk to the showers in the bathroom, and it says it runs on tokens. Okay, where do I get tokens? Nowhere did it say, hey, here's where you get tokens. The campground host site was empty. And then I go back to the bike, and I hear dogs barking, and I thought, you know what? It's gonna be 47, 46 degrees in the morning, whatever. Yes. So I drove 25 miles to Medford, where I'm at now, and the first place didn't have any rooms. The high-end place where I'm at now, which it's only $130 a night, had one room left and a minute. So yeah, I get to sleep in a bed tonight, because I honestly don't think I could do another night on the ground, especially if it's going to be that cold. Just the riding I've been doing, and it was, 50 to 60 degrees all day, except the last like 80 miles. It finally warmed up to 65 degrees, and it rained, and I'm just sore and achy, and I don't want to sleep on the ground when it's in the 40s. So yeah, it adds like 60, 70 miles to the trip, because I got to go back to the National Forest to continue the ride, but I don't care. Bed, shower, and food. There's food in town, so my dinner tonight is not going to be cashews, Triscuits, and a Mountain Dew, and however much whiskey I got left.